Let me say thank you for your purchase. I want to show you really quickly how easy it is to personalize your product inside of Canva. So you've made your purchase and you've found me here. You can find this bridesmaid card, information card, and many more in my Etsy or on my website, lollydoodlestudios.com. So you will then receive or have received your email with your digital product that you can then customize and have printed as many times as you need. I'm going to show you quickly how easy it is to do this inside of the program Canva. So I've got Canva open. You will then come here and you'll find your digital product. This is the bridesmaid information card template. I'm going to show you on an iPad. So I will be using either the pen or my finger, but you can do this just as easily by clicking a mouse on your desktop. So it will come and it will look like this. So you're probably in there, and you do not need anything more than the free version of Canva to do it. So first things first, this is what it comes looking at, and say you need to change the name of your bridesmaid. You will then click with your finger or click with the mouse to highlight the item that you want to change. And I'll see if I can zoom in just a little bit. Then if you're on iPad, you will see over here the different things that you can use to customize, but we've highlighted text. I can come here, and you're welcome to use any of, if you only have the free version of Canva, then you will use that. If you have the pro paid version, you have many more fonts at your fingertips. So if you like the font that's there, you would basically then highlight it, erase it, just like you would. So I'm going to backspace to erase it. And if your bridesmaid's name is Carly, so we will just type in Carly's name, and you'll see how easy it is there to do that. You can move the box around with your finger or with the mouse to put it where you want it. If she's not a bridesmaid, then you can change that to say this card is going to be for your maid of honor. So you can come in here and change it. You can also change that font. If you're not liking the Kingrid Modern font, you can come here. Let me come back. See right here, you click that. You'll get the drop down of all the different fonts that are available. So I will just show you with free fonts right now. So say you want to use this one, check. So then it doesn't quite look right on your printable. So with your finger or with your mouse, you can then just drag the size of that box larger to fit it in there. You can change the size of the font up or down so that it will fit. And then if you do that, you'll want to come over and change all of your fonts and resize things so that they fit better. But this is only if you're changing font and the size of the font makes it move. Then you can drag that where you need it to be. Same here, you can click that, erase it, type in you and or whoever it's for, the couple getting married, and say you do not like this font again, and you'll want to go through and change all of the fonts to your liking, of course. Say you want something more a little, let's see, we'll search here for calligraphy fonts, and we'll just grab Malibu. That's a cute, fun, little playful. You may get this purple box down here at the bottom. You can then instantly change all of the font with the script to that. Again, come back in, adjust it to where you want to be. You can add fonts by clicking the text box. I'm going to click that, and we'll do Gina and Brad, just grabbing names off of the top of my brain. And I wanted that here. So I'm going to click the name with my finger or with your mouse, remember, of course. I'm going to bring it up here. And now I want to make the font of that match the other font. So we're going to highlight it. I'm going to use my pen. We're going to highlight the name, maybe. We're going to highlight the full name. We're going to come back up here and we're going to pick our font. We're going to, all right, stop. Let's see. And it's freezing a little bit. That's the joy of iPad. Hopefully this will catch up, but you get the gist is that you come up here and change your fonts as need be. Once that is done, let's give it a second. Sorry, let's give it a second to see if it's going to catch up. It has not just yet, but you can come here, click the place, put in your venue, change the date by highlighting that and changing it. The duties of the maid of honor, you can change that to your liking, and you can come and change colors, and I do not know why it's giving me a hard time, but that is basically how you're going to change that. Doesn't matter if you do it iPad, if you do it, you can do this even on your phone. It's so simple. Then you can save this to your device, send it off to a print service and have them print it out. You can go the home print route. To save it, you're going to click this arrow here and you're going to save it in whatever format that you want to your device. Then again, send it off to your printer. And there are also written instructions on how to do this in your email. Thank you for your purchase. Please come back to Lolly Doodle Studios and to learn calligraphy. There is a option where I will do calligraphy for you in my own hand lettering font. Please come visit us at our store to see all the amazing products that we have available for your event.